Tela na siya.
Ang ganda.
Oh my God. You don't need to wear bra because I will put some bra pads on that. Yeah. Oh my God.
Pwede rin siyang mag-silicone, ma'am.
Hala, ang ganda oh.
Ang ganda.
Ay, pwede na rin.
Ay, sorry. sis.
Ayan. Beads na lang ang kulang niya.
Yes, beads na lang po.
Beads lang.
I'm so
Pero not
happy
too
for
much
you.
po. Not
Opo,
too much.
not too much.
Ano lang,
Minimalist
standard
lang din.
lang.
Bewang at saka dito. I'm gonna put beads here, up to here, and then the waistline itself, and then going up.
Oh, sige.
You don't need to wear bra because I will put bra. Because the bra will be visible here.
Ito ba pwede siya i-cut?
I-cut like,
Mas ayoko po yung may... Kasi meron po akong neck brace.
tas bro siya ang nagbigay ng buhay eh. Pero pwede ko siyang i-cut. Maganda siya as is, but
Detachable po ba ito?
naka-attach siya mo.
How am I gonna let's dance together?
Okay, you can dance your
Kasi na basic.
Ah,
Pag-explain niyo.